Okay, so for the Hostess Rewards spreadsheet that you're going to send to your host to fill out, you are going to go to our Google Drive, so drive.google.com, find the Usborne folder, go into Literacy Leaders, Hostess Coaching, and Rewards. Here is the master copy. Sorry, I'm going to delete this. So this is the master copy. You're going to double click that, and then you are going to go to File, Make a Copy, and folder. We want this to be in your personal drive, so you're just going to keep clicking back all the way to My Drive and select. Instead of copy of, you're going to put the hostess name. So Jane's Hostess Reward Worksheet. Make sure it's in My Drive. Okay. That is going to open up a new tab or new window, and this is the one that you're going to work on. You have 4 tabs at the bottom. So you have full retail. This is anything that your host wants to buy at full price. That is full retail. I would only suggest doing this if, like let's say party sales are at $245. I would suggest adding a $5 book at full retail to bump your host up to $250, which obviously opens up way more in free books. So that's normally when I will use full retail. Always check with your sponsor when using this tab. If you're not using it at all, you will want to make sure to right click and delete that tab. Are you sure? Yes. So if they're not adding anything full retail, go ahead and delete that tab so they're not confused. So free books, that is obviously anything they've earned for free. If you scroll down, you can see this box. You will need to change the amount. So you're going to highlight the stuff that is in blue, and you're going to put in whatever amount they earned. So if they hit $250 in sales, it's probably going to be $80. So change that. There we go. That is automatically going to add everything they enter so they can see how much allowance they have left. So that's all you need to change. Half price books. Again, we're going to scroll down. You want to make sure that you change this. So click it and put in whatever amount. So if they hit $100 in sales, they're going to get $25. So make sure you're checking that rewards chart. And then we have the party bonus books, which is up to $50. And we'll go over this a little more here in a second. So let's go back to free books. As they enter, they're going to enter their ISBN number, which is the 6-digit number. If you look on the wish list graphic, it's this 6-digit number, so they're going to enter all this information. So that plus the title plus the price. That is what they're putting on the wish list. And so as they enter, and I'm just going to put in some numbers. As they enter that, notice that this balance is decreasing. They cannot go over the amount, so once they get close to 0, they'll probably have to stop. They cannot go over. So they just keep adding books until that is used. Half price books, same thing. As you add books, your balance remaining is going to decrease. The total books selected is going to increase, and then it'll show how much the host will pay. So let's just keep doing this. So they used up all their credit. That's how much they have added. That is how much they will pay. The party bonus book. So this is $50, and it can really be used however you see fit. So let's say they book a party off their friend. Maybe they were the prize winner, and they decided to host a party instead of receiving a book in the mail. So if you promise them like $10 or $20 or whatever amount you promise them for hosting a party, this is the category that will come out of. Okay. And this is kind of where it gets confusing. So let's say you promise them $20 in free books. You would pay the 35%. So this is $50 at 65% off, meaning someone is paying 35%. Okay. So let's say you're giving them $20 for free and then $30 at 65% off. That's how you decide to split that up. And you can really split it up any way you want. So let's say you offer them 20, and then you offered them $10 for every booking that they get from their party. So let's say they got 2 bookings. That's another $20 free. So now the free portion is 40, and then you can offer them the 10 at 65, whatever's left. Does that make sense? So you're going to pay the 35% here. They're going to pay the remaining 35% here, if that makes sense. And that's something you'll kind of have to calculate at the end on your own. This is calculating 65% off. So $5.99. I'm just going to put some books in so you can see this should be decreasing. Why is it doing that? Okay. So that is now decreasing. And so on. The total books, and then this is the cost at 35%. So that is how much they would pay. Of course, you're paying a portion of that, so you just kind of have to know if you're giving them $40 free, you're going to do $40 times 0.35 to figure out your portion to pay. When it comes time to send it, you are going to go up here to share. You are going to click advanced. This private, only you can access, means even if you share the link, no one's going to be able to see it. So click change. You want to turn it on, anyone with the link. And then go down here, anyone with the link can edit. That way your host is going to be able to go in and add her books. So again, share, advanced, change, make sure on, anyone with the link, access, anyone with the link can edit, save. Here is the link, so you're going to copy that and you're going to go and paste that into the rewards email that you are sending them. And that's it.